Welcome to TRADEREP. This is Short Hammer. It is the 13th of August 2019, and we're taking a peek at Microsoft. Now, if we remember, Microsoft had amazing earnings, and we all thought that Microsoft was going to run, but it didn't. And it could be the overall market sentiment that really sort of took the air out of Microsoft. But I have these lines on Microsoft that I call my supply demand lines. And when Microsoft interacts with these lines, you'll see either the sellers step in and take control and push it down, or if we're going down, the buyers step in, take control and push us up. Right now, we're testing the 135.71 supply demand line. Below that, we have 134.10, and above that, we have 137.80. So let's take a peek at Microsoft on the intraday to see what we can sort of decipher what's the next technical level or highest probability move we have on Microsoft. So if we're looking at Microsoft on the 5-minute chart, we'll see that yesterday's pre-market we dipped below the 137.80s, and we couldn't get back above those the entire day. And we faded to the 135.71 area here. We went below, and the buyers pushed us back above it. And after hours, we held. Tomorrow's main intraday pivot is 136.29. We have to see what happens if the buying takes us to that point. And also, we have to see that, well, if the buying takes us to this 136.29 area, is it faded back down through the 135.71s? And remember that for me personally, when I'm trading Amazon or trading Microsoft or trading the SPY, I look at all three of them to sort of figure out where the other is going. And you could drop Facebook and Apple into that cart too, but for me, I specifically watch Microsoft, Amazon, and I watch the SPY. And those are three of the charts that remain on my screen at all times, and I use those three to give me a rough estimation of the market sentiment. So we'll see where we open tomorrow, but it's looking as if we want to test of this 136.29 area, the main intraday pivot. But what's interesting is a lot of moves tend to happen after or before market. So we have to see what move that they'll do on Microsoft before the market opens. If we'll see a push up, a test, and a failure, a push up, a test, a hold, then a potential leg up into the next level, where will the buyers take us? Will the sellers take control? So I'll be watching Microsoft tomorrow, and these are the lines that I'm watching on Microsoft, looking to take it from one line to the next. We'll see.